Hey, and welcome into our mini course. If you're looking to build funnels for you or for your customers, you're in the right place. We're going to show you how to do everything yourself, better and smarter from start to finish, without hiring designers, without waiting for weeks, and without spending thousands of pounds. Alright then, so inside of the Academy, we'll be focusing of course on funnels, but you can easily build your websites using the same strategies. We'll show you how to set up your own solutions for building funnels for customers or providing it as your own funnel website building solution. So in the Funnel Academy, we'll talk about lead generation, sales funnels, upsells, downsells, bump offers, everything that you need to know. There are 19 videos about building your own solutions and more. So let's take a look how simple it is to start building your pages and funnels. We have hundreds of pre-made funnel designs to help you get started. Or if you're feeling brave, you can start from scratch. This is the fastest drag and drop builder that you will find on the market, which helps you organize your content and build amazing landing pages, squeeze pages, checkouts, and more in just a few clicks. You have the ability to A/B split test everything within inside of your funnel steps. See your conversion rates, fully customizable checkouts, and if you're building for customers, you can have an amazing impact on their business with upsells, downsells, bump offers, all in one platform. The solution itself has e-commerce, full e-commerce, so you can sell directly from your website, funnels, blogs, and more. Have a CRM where you can manage all of your leads and contacts, and also appointments. Have appointments for lead generation with calendars and schedules. Also integrate your favorite software solutions in one click, from MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, MailerLite, Facebook Pixel, and easily connect thousands of other software platforms with our integrated Zapier and Integrately. The Academy is super simple, very easy, and very scalable. So join the Academy today and we'll show you how to do everything yourself and test it out absolute free. This is Sendley and I hope you enjoy.